হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আপনারা দেখছেন সাইবার টক ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, সাথে আপনাদের হোস্ট আমি আছি রহমান। আজকে আমরা পলিসি অ্যাডভাইজার ওয়েবসাইটের একটি ব্লগ এক্সপ্লেন করার চেষ্টা করব, দ্য বেস্ট লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স ফর সিনিয়র্স ইন কানাডা, আপডেটেড ফর 2022। তো গাইজ, ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে চ্যানেল যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকেন অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন পরবর্তী ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। So the summary is the life insurance for those 16s or over can be used as a way to leave a tax-free sum of money their loved one or the state. Life insurance for senior is a good consideration for those who do not have saving and may still have debt or their dependent there that need to be covered should they pass away. Term life insurance is not usually available for senior 75 or over, and permanent coverage is a great option and encourage coverage for funeral expense and medical debt. So the most people assume that obtaining life insurance in their twilight years is possible, however, is not true. If you are aged 16 or over and looking to get some form of life insurance coverage, you can take comfort in the fact that obtaining term life insurance for senior as well as other type of coverage is more than possible. Read on to find out what your coverage options are and how you can secure the protection you need in retirement age. So you can if you need insurance answer now, you can call this number. So why is the life insurance important for seniors? Many seniors aged 16 or 60 or over may have adequate saving to meet all the forcible and unforeseeable expense later in life and may determine they have no need for life insurance at this time. However, there are still situations where a senior may be responsible for debt and dependents and not have enough savings to cover these expenses. Should they pass away, life insurance for seniors become an important consideration in this situation. As well, depending on the type of coverage one choose, life insurance can also be an avenue to leave money behind for your family or love. So, what type of insurance can a senior get? While senior themselves are not individual class when it comes to purchasing life insurance policies, some type of coverage do have age limit. Senior and a term is used by business and government agencies to broadly define an age group. While you may get a senior discount at your local pharmacy when you turn 55, another institute or agency may not offer senior deducted service until you are not into your 60s. Like the Canada's pension plans or provincial senior drug benefits, luckily insurance companies seldom leave anything up for interruption. Your coverage eligibility is based strictly on your specific age as opposite to a loosely defined age group. With that consideration, most life insurance providers do not approve term life insurance policy for those over the age of 75. Instead, such potential insurance seekers would need to find an insurance company with later age limits or elect to get whole life or permanent coverage. More on term life pursue while life insurance for seniors below. Depending on their individual health, senior can also choose between traditionally underwritten insurance policy, insurance with a medical exam and non-medical insurance product. So the what type of policy provider that best life insurance for seniors in Canada? The best life insurance for senior depends on the one's individual situation. A healthy 60 years old seeking life insurance coverage for a temporary need, such as paying off an outstanding mortgage, will find term life is a more affordable option. However, many Canadian seniors are not looking for temporary coverage. Instead, those 60 or older often look to get lifetime coverage to meet and off-life expense, funeral arrangements, and medical expense, etc. Or leave a tax-free sum of money those to their spouse, children, or grandchildren. In this case, a permanent form of insurance such as term 100 or whole life insurance is a better fit. Do keep in mind there is a trade-off since over the cover for their entire life. Permanent coverage is generally more expensive, more so with whole life policy, which also have an investments or cash value component, and this cash value may be assured during your lifetime, either by withdrawing or borrowing against it. So, how much does the term life insurance cost for a senior? The cost of life insurance premiums depends on several factors such as age, gender, smoking status, lifestyle, and overall health. For a typical 60 years old non-smoker male in regular health, $100,000 of 20 years term life insurance could cost just over $97 per month. The same coverage for a female non-smoker starts at over $64 per month. Smoking almost double the price of these premiums, 198 and 126 per month. Read more about how much term life insurance for cost for a 60 years old and how much cost in general. Can seniors qualify for life insurance coverage with pre-existing medical condition? Depending on the type of the severity of the pre-existing medical condition, seniors can still get life insurance coverage. If the pre-existing condition is well managed and not considered life-threatening, then coverage will typically be available the regular rates. In more moderate to severe health case, the pre-existing medical condition may lead to higher premiums or with certain condition or exclusion for specific elements. So can senior get life insurance without a medical exam? Yes, there are several situations where a senior may opt to apply for coverage without a medical exam. High-risk senior may have several pre-existing medical conditions that disqualify them for traditionally underwritten coverage or coverage with regular medical screening. In other case, some simply do not want to go through the physical or time consuming processing of a medical exam. For this situation, there is the option to choose from no medical life insurance policy, though the premiums are generally higher than traditionally underwritten policy. So, what is the simplified issue life insurance for seniors? Simplified issue life insurance is a type of non-medical insurance product. It allows to get a life insurance policy without the need for a medical exam and instead requires to the applicant to answer a few health-related questions for that determine whether they qualify for simplified issue insurance. Such question about allow binary yes or no response to health and lifestyle related question to determine eligibility for the product. So এখানে কিন্তু আরো অনেকগুলো আর্টিকেল আছে। ক্যান টার্ম লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স ক্যান টেকেন বাই এ সিনিয়র কনভার্টেড ইনটু দ্য পার্মানেন্ট ফ্রম। আপনারা কিন্তু চাইলে policyadvisor.com লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স স্ল্যাশ লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স ফর সিনিয়র্স এই ওয়েবসাইটটি ভিজিট করে কিন্তু আপনারা আরো ডেইলি ব্যাপারটা জেনে নিতে পারেন। তো সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। ভিডিওটি যারা এতক্ষণ পুরোটা দেখেছেন সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার আমন্ত্রণ রইল।